In this video, I want to talk about the semiconductor shortage because it continues to really plague the world economy in many different industries. And I want to talk about a company that I think may benefit the most from this issue over the next couple years. So I'm going to share an article with you from tipranks.com on AMD. AMD is a massive chip company, and they're starting to ink away at Intel's dominance over this industry in the past several years. And part of that has to do with Apple making its own chips, pulling away from Intel, but also AMD pushing into the corporate world. So let's just jump right over to tipranks.com. We're going to check out this article. It says corporate notebook gains set to continue. Over the past few years, advanced micro devices has become a force to be reckoned with in the semiconductor industry. Its market share has continually expanded as superior products have eaten away at traditionally bigger rival Intel's dominance. At the same time, the share price exploded. This is until this year, as the pullback in growth stocks has not spared AMD. AMD is actually down on the year. Now, an analyst from Northlands, he's a 5-star analyst named Gus Richard. He's giving this stock a pretty hefty price target. We're going to check that out in a second. But essentially, he's giving this the price target for a very specific reason. He says, we expect an increasing mix of corporate notebook revenue to drive client revenue growth in the second half. AMD's server market share accelerated in Q1, and AMD launched its 7nm server chip in Q1 that will likely accelerate share gains in the second half. We believe AMD is getting ample capacity from TSMC, and high-end AMD systems will be the least likely to suffer from component shortages. It is in the corporate notebook segment, the high end of the market in particular, where AMD is gaining market share. Richard estimates that AMD's share of the corporate notebook segment is currently in the low single digits, but expects it will boast significant expansion this year. Here's one of the reasons. The industry checks suggest analysts at small investment banks are still running Windows 7, implying corporate notebooks are still on back orders or they aren't being updated as quick yet. Therefore, despite expecting a slowdown in the consumer notebook market, the analyst believes the corporate notebook market will give AMD good visibility into the second half of 2021. So let's peek at these analyst ratings here. One of the greatest things about TipRanks is these analyst ratings. We aggregate a ton of data from all over the web. So check this out. Okay, so we have advanced micro devices, ticker symbol AMD, down slightly today, 0.26%, trading at 81.10 right now. However, this comes in with a moderate buy rating based on 20 analyst ratings with an average upside of almost 30%. Right now. I'll take that 30%, 12 months. That's nice. All right, so Gus Richard here coming in from Northland Securities. He has a price target actually of $116 for AMD, and he just did this 4 days ago. So he's seeing upside of about 43% for AMD, and you can see there's various ones here. We have 23%, 17%. Carrie from Citigroup saying sell, but Carrie, you're a 1-star analyst, so I'm not sure I want to listen. Most of the 5-star analysts here are either saying hold or buy, so that I tend to take those recommendations a little better. But what do you guys think about AMD going forward? Do you think it has a stronger chance of taking advantage of this semiconductor shortage than Intel or some of the other companies? Or do you think Intel's going to come and do something crazy and dominate? Let me know down in the comments. I would appreciate hearing from you guys. Remember, you can see me over on the TipRanks YouTube channel, 3 p.m. Eastern Standard Time, Monday through Friday for your Power Hour update. I would love to have you guys over there. The team's expanding. We got people doing stuff from the UK now. Fantastic stuff going on over there. So I would love to have you subscribe over to that channel. Guys, thank you so much. I'll see you tomorrow at 3 p.m. or here a little bit later on this channel. Guys, thank you so much. I'll see you tomorrow.